Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook completely private on your phone. So this will work with any mobile device, it can be iPhone, Samsung, whatever you have, it's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, make sure you have the most updated version of Facebook on your phone. Once you've done that, click on the Facebook app. It's going to bring up this page here. You're going to want to click in the bottom right hand corner where the three little lines are. Click there and then you're going to want to scroll all the way down once you get to this menu. And then you're going to see settings and privacy. Click that drop down menu there. It's going to bring up this. And then you're going to want to click privacy shortcuts. And then it's going to bring to the privacy shortcuts page. And the majority of the things that you can do to make everything private, you're going to want to click on this review a few important privacy settings. You're going to want to go ahead and click there. And first of all, you're going to get these like 4 things that come up here. You're going to go through some of them, but first of all, we're going to click on who can see what you share, and then you're going to want to click continue on that. Then it's going to bring up like a bunch of things. You got your information. For instance, the first one's going to be your phone number. I'm going to cover my phone number, obviously, but you see it says friends currently. Click on that drop down menu. Then you're going to want to click on only me. So once you click only me, it's come up there. It should say again. Obviously I can see it, or you can obviously change it to like just your friends, public, or whatever. But if you want everything 100% private, you're going to want to click only me. And then your birthday, all these things here, I'm going to click only me on all of them so you can make it fully private. So your friends and following, see all your things here, you're going to go that. And then once you've clicked only me on all of them, click next, future posts, then you're going to want to click like for instance on this, if you like say friends accept like certain friends you might want to show it to if you want that, but there you can see that. And obviously if you make a post, your friends will be able to see it because you can't have like a privacy on this. So if you just don't want people to see anything you post, you just can't post on that little part there. But friend limit the amount of past posts that you can see, etc. And you click next on that. The blocked, if you have a blocked list, you can do that. That's everything for that. So you go on the next one. So that's kind of done. This thing, so you can go back for all of them, and you can see. And then how to keep your account secure isn't really necessary for this. Neither is your data settings on Facebook. You can go and change that. The next one, how people can find you on Facebook. You're gonna click on there, and then you can see who can send you friend requests. If you don't want that, people, you can do friends of friends. And obviously, throughout this whole process, if you want to be completely 100% private, make sure you don't have any friends. Just go ahead and delete them all. If you want like a full privacy thing, so we're gonna go on next, and the phone number. You want to click only me, the email address only me, and next it says you're all set in that part. You review another topic, and then it will come back. And then also to check everything here, you can learn about your privacy on Facebook, manage your location settings, etc. Your location service want to be off, location history, etc. Then people can't find you through that means. So you can see more privacy settings here. They only go to the check important settings. That's the thing you've already been on. You can manage your profile. You can also go through and then you can see on each of them, like for instance your mobile number, it says only me, your birthday, etc. You can go through and private each of the things there. You can change the privacy. If you've got other things, you can click edit and then like say that you want it to be private, etc. For all of these things here, so you can see your future posts. Obviously, it would be the friends that you would have there, etc. You see all the other things that only me. You can send you friend requests, friends of friends. So you can do it. Obviously, if you have no friends, no one can do that. So you can go through for the other settings here, your account security, your personal information, password, etc. Isn't really relevant. Access your information. So for previous posts that you've already done, for instance, like on a page that is public, like for instance, if you like a favorite celebrity and you comment on one of their posts, you can see all these things that you posted already. You can see like the posts you've already made. If there is posts here, you can make them private, delete them, whatever. You can go through and delete all these things here. So you've got multiple different things. You've got posts, photos and videos, comments, likes, reactions. All the things you've done in your Facebook history will appear here. You can go through each of them, click on them, you go ahead and delete them if you did have any, or you can make them private, etc. So you can go through and do that. Obviously I've got none because I haven't posted on this account, but if you do, then it's going to be all the things there. So that's going to cover everything. So go through, change all these settings to private in this little privacy shortcut page. Everything should be here. You can go through and check everything that's private as well on your page. But leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Comment below any other suggestions. Click to one of these videos and links on the screen to find more Facebook how-tos and other things. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.